Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down one of the most important networking concepts in AWS, the Virtual Private Cloud, also known as VPC. So a VPC is the foundation of everything you build in AWS. Whether you are launching an EC2 instance, configuring database, setting up load balancers, or designing your entire cloud network, it all starts inside a VPC. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step and cover what is VPC, what you can control inside a VPC, regional isolation, CIDR blocks, default versus custom VPC, and how AWS configure the default VPC for you. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how AWS networking begins at the VPC level and how you can design your own cloud architecture confidently. So let's get started. First, we'll see what is Virtual Private Cloud and also known as VPC. So a VPC is a secure, isolated section of AWS. You launch AWS resources inside a virtual network you define. It offers full control of your cloud networking environment. Next, we'll see what can you control inside a VPC. So inside a VPC, you can define custom IP address through subnetting. As we discussed in last lecture, subnets. You can watch that video. And second, configuring route tables to take control packet flow. Third, use security groups and network ACLs. So we'll see what is security groups and network ACL in an upcoming lecture. So basically network ACL is a access control list and we'll use security groups for at instance level. So we'll all understand this. Next, customize inbound and outbound traffic which gateways. So inbound, what is inbound and outbound traffic we'll all see. Next, regional isolation and VPC deployment. So a VPC resides in only one AWS region. Like a VPC is in one AWS region only. So example, VPC 1 in US East 1 and VPC 2 in US East 2. So no automatic cross-regional communication must be configured manually. So we have to configure manually for cross-configure regional communication. Next, we'll see CIDR blocks in VPC. We already see in last lecture. So again, I will repeat. So every VPC has a CIDR block defining its IP range. So it's determined which IP resource can use. Example, uh, CIDR size from 6. If VPC CIDR is 192.168.0.0/16, so all resources IP must fall inside this range. So allow size must be minimum /28 and maximum /60. Primary, secondary, and IPv6 CIDR blocks. So you can add secondary IPv4 CIDR blocks. You can add up to 5 IPv6 CIDR blocks per VPC. Each IPv6 blocks provide a range of /56. Now, most important, we'll see types of VPC. So basically, there are two types of VPC, or default VPC and custom VPC. So first understand what is default VPC. Default VPC is created automatically for every new AWS account. If you create a new AWS account, so the default VPC will created automatically, and it should be one default VPC per region. Provide immediate internet connectivity. So it will provide immediate internet connectivity and allow quick deployment without networking setup. Now we'll see what is custom VPC. So custom VPC, you need to know all these things. If you configure the CIDR block, you define the subnets and routing for custom VPC, you set up security groups and NACL, network access control list. And next, full control and customization. And you can also create gateways and connectivity. So custom VPC gives full control and high security. For default VPC configuration, CIDR block is 172.31.0/. Its IP total IP 65,536 IPs and one default subnet per ability zone. Internet gateway is attached with the default route. We'll see all the internet gateway, how what is internet gateway. Next, default security groups allow all outbound traffic. So basically, we'll discuss what is in later section what is inbound traffic, outbound traffic in separate. So basically, for now, understand inbound means incoming traffic, outbound means outgoing traffic. Next, default NACL allow all inbound and outbound. So in summary, if you see, VPC are the foundation of AWS networking. Each VPC exists within a single AWS region. CIDR block define the VPC network. Default VPC uses this one with one subnet per ability zone. Custom VPC provide full control. So that's all from this video. Next video we'll see what is subnet, not subnet. We'll see network access, security groups, network access control list. What is the difference between them? We'll understand each and every point, and then we'll. I think I have uploaded the practical implementation of all this already. I'm just uploading the theory part for now for clear understanding how it's works. So if you want the practical implementation, you can watch my video. Again, I will upload the short video regarding how we create subnets, how we create default subnet, how we create custom subnets, not subnets, custom VPC, all these things. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the next video.